so give me your hand. Well, the thing I want the most is all the acres of land. 'Cause I ain't got a brand new combine harvester, and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I ain't got 20 acres, and you've got 43. Now I ain't got a brand new combine harvester, and I'll give you the key. Oh, she's a lovely bit of stuff and all. For 7 long years I've been alone in this place. Ain't sleep in the kitchen, it's a proper disgrace. Now if I cleaned it up, would you change your mind? I'll give up drinking Strumpy and that larder and lime. 'Cause I ain't got a brand new combine harvester, and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I ain't got 20 acres, and you've got 43. Now I ain't got a brand new combine harvester, and I'll give you the key. Who loves you, baby? Ha! When we grand couple at that last Wurzel dance, oh, you wore brand new gaiters and me cordy right pants. In your new Sunday dress, with your perfume smelling grand. We had our photos taken us sold in end. Now I ain't got a brand new combine harvester,